Are you struggling to keep up with repetitive tasks? Many small businesses face this issue. Automating workflows can save you time and effort. In this video, we'll show you 30 powerful automations using ChatGPT and Make.com. By the end, you'll know how to streamline your business efficiently. Let's start with the first automation. Open Make.com and create a new scenario. Choose ChatGPT as your first module. Connect to your OpenAI account. Select the trigger event, like receiving a new email. This automation will generate responses automatically, saving you time. Next, set up a Google Sheets integration. Each new ChatGPT response can populate a new row. This helps you keep track of interactions easily. You can also schedule regular updates by connecting to a calendar app. Moving to our third automation, integrate ChatGPT with your project management tool. Whenever a new task is created, ChatGPT will summarize project details. This will ensure your team is always informed. For the fourth automation, link ChatGPT with your social media accounts. Generate posts automatically based on current trends. You'll keep your audience engaged without manually creating content. Now, let's explore customer support automation. Connect ChatGPT with your support chat. Any incoming questions are answered immediately. This ensures clients feel valued and heard. Automation 6 involves email newsletters. Use ChatGPT to draft unique newsletters. Automatically send these to your mailing list based on customer preferences. Next, connect ChatGPT with your CRM. Automate data entry tasks effortlessly. This reduces human error and enhances data accuracy. For our eighth automation, link ChatGPT to your e-commerce platform. Use it to personalize product recommendations based on user behavior. This can increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. Step 9 introduces feedback collection. ChatGPT can send surveys automatically after purchases. This helps you understand customer opinions and make improvements. The 11th automation connects ChatGPT with your lead generation process. Automatically respond to inquiries. Capture leads promptly, increasing conversion rates. Next, set up chatbots for your website using ChatGPT. Engage visitors instantly and provide information they need. This improves user experience significantly. For the 13th automation, integrate with your analytics tool. ChatGPT can analyze metrics and suggest optimizations. This ensures you're always improving your strategies. Moving on, the 14th connects scheduling tools to ChatGPT. Automatically book appointments based on real-time availability. This reduces back and forth communication. Step 15 integrates ChatGPT with your billing system. Create automatic reminders for due payments. This ensures cash flow remains steady. In our 16th automation, connect with video conferencing apps. Schedule meetings through simple chatbot responses. This saves time and organizes your calendar efficiently. Automation 17 uses ChatGPT for content creation. Draft blog posts or articles quickly based on chosen topics. For 18, link with online form applications. ChatGPT can help compile gathered data into readable summaries. Next, let's automate internal team updates. ChatGPT can summarize meeting notes and share them with the team. This ensures everyone stays informed. Step 20 involves feedback response automation. Use ChatGPT to customize responses for various feedback categories. For 21, connect with your inventory system. ChatGPT can alert you when stock runs low automatically. Next, let's personalize customer journey mapping with ChatGPT Insights. Analyze user behavior and create customized experiences. Step 23 connects ChatGPT with event management. Automate guest reminders and provide information effortlessly. For 24, use it in marketing campaigns. Analyze performance and generate optimized campaign strategies. Step 25 integrates ChatGPT with HR systems. Automate recruitment, ensuring streamlined communication with candidates. Moving on, Step 26 helps with onboarding processes. ChatGPT can guide new hires through your company policies. Step 27 enables content scheduling. Automate publishing across all channels with ChatGPT assistance. Next, Step 28 connects to your knowledge base. Automatically update articles based on ChatGPT's recommendations. For 29, link with payment gateways. ChatGPT can process transactions via chat, simplifying checkout. Finally, in Step 30, automate customer anniversaries and birthdays. Send personalized messages effortlessly, building stronger relationships. You've learned about 30 powerful automations today. These tools can revolutionize your business processes. Now, it's time to implement these strategies. Start small and scale gradually. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.